Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Cours civique, questionnaire concernant emploi. Emploi is work, okay? Emploi. And one of the objectives of cours civique, because cours civique is obligatoire, c'est obligatoire, na? So, connaître ses droits et devoirs en tant que résident ou citoyen français. Know your rights and responsibilities as a resident or French citizen. Okay? Question concernant emploi, work. À quoi sert la formation linguistique des salariés? À quoi sert la formation linguistique des salariés? What is the language training for employees used for? A. À mieux communiquer et évoluer dans leur travail. To communicate better and progress at work. B. Supprimer le contrat de travail. Eliminate the employment contract. C. À éviter toute règle professionnelle. To avoid any professional rules. Or D. À remplacer le salaire. D is to replace your salary. Okay, so let's see your answers. À quoi sert la formation linguistique des salariés? Okay, and our correct answer, la bonne réponse est A. À mieux communiquer et évoluer dans le travail. To communicate better and progress at work. Justification, explanation. La maîtrise de français facilite l'intégration professionnelle, la compréhension des consignes et l'accès à la formation. Mastering or learning French helps professional integration, understanding instructions, and access to training. Because we have 58 hours a year for the right to have formation linguistique or formation a year in one if we are working, okay? So we have 58 hours and some are using it for the French language. Ils utilisent pour apprendre la langue française because it's very important to speak French for la intégration. L'intégration is to be integrated in France because France speaks French. They speak English, but here it's all in French. That's why faire formation, the training for the French language is very important. Okay, I'm doing that also with you can use the if you are declared you are working, you have the right to have 58 hours within a year. And sometimes you are being vous avez la rémunération or you are being paid by that, a minimum, okay, per day, per hour. Okay, I hope it's clear. And please don't forget to like, subscribe at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao po.